Hey guys, I think I found a really nice one of those AI apps that you have Dal-E Mini and Stable Diffusion and all that you input text and it generates art or pictures via AI. Well, I found one at least for Android, since that's what I have, Android phone here, and it's called this one Make AI Art. So far that I found that it was free and it doesn't require a gazillion, that doesn't require a super phone or supercomputer, or it's not complicated at all. And without wasting time, let's go to it. It's this one here that has, when I pull this with a cat with a yellow cap, looks like, or whatever that is, hoodie. Let's click on it. And due to high server usage, will temporarily number of ads, which of course they have to eat somehow, right? When they make these apps. Stable Diffusion is on. Dal-E Mini, unfortunately, at this moment, is down for maintenance. Yesterday, I don't know why I didn't record my screen, but I didn't. Yesterday it was up and I could write and create and all that, but Stable Diffusion does almost the same exact thing. And let me tell you what you can do with this, or show you to be more exact. It's this one here. You can try Stable Diffusion version 1.5 or 2.1. It depends on which one you're gonna like. And after you choose your version, which you can just try depending on results, and it's here you put the prompt and here you put the negatives. How that works, for example, let me say you want to put a man masked as a I don't know, computer playing YouTube video, and this is lame, but just for the sake of testing. Now in this one, what you don't want to see, that is what negative prompt is. You don't want it to come as a baby face, right? Baby, comma. You don't want it as a cat, comma. You don't want it as a girl, comma. And I don't know what else you don't want it as a book either. I'm just gonna type what I think. Let's see. This is probably something that's not gonna be able to generate anything. Okay, this is not the best you've ever seen, but it tried. Let me let me put something. Let me type YouTube in the future of humanity. Lame again, but that's all that's coming to mind right now. And let's see. Whoa, okay. Off the something it says there? That's interesting. Future humanity with some kind of holes and some kind of stuff. Let me put technology after humans. Technology after humans are gone. And I'm gonna take all the negatives out and just let's see what the AI thinks it will be, or what will be here. And welcome to Mars, looks like. Robots have taken over, and have a great night. Okay, that's all I can show you for right now. And here you have examples that you could type all this and all that stuff. And well, let me see the same one. Let me put it on 2.1 if it makes a difference. Before we get out of here, is I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to show you guys. Ticlohuums, I don't know what's written there. Own feeder something. But yeah, that's the 2.1 version. But you can be way more crafty, as you see right here. Under here, samples, how you're supposed to type and what you're supposed to do here. But I'm not gonna go on that. And the Dal-E Mini will probably be up by tomorrow, I hope, and you guys can go try it. In the beginning, when you install this app, by the way, you'll have a lot of kind of ads and tutorials and all that, and in my case I just hit skip, okay, everything, and just got to this point here. And again, how the app looks like, it's this one here, Make AI Art. That's just how it looks. And with that said, go give it a try, and thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you don't mind, and we'll see you next time. Bye!